In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Differences between DNA and RNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is ribonucleic acid. DNA is a genetic material, but RNA may act as genetic material or non-genetic. When RNA acts as genetic material, it is present some viruses, and when RNA acts as non-genetic material, it is present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Number 1, DNA occurs mainly in nucleus. Mainly in nucleus, and in much lesser amounts और कम मिकदार में it is also present in mitochondria and chloroplasts. In mitochondria and chloroplasts. जबकि RNA is present in nucleolus, in the ribosomes and in cytosol. RNA is present in nucleolus, in the ribosomes, and in cytosol. साइटोसोल का माना है साइटोप्लाज्म, यानी soluble part of cytoplasm is called cytosol. Number 2, DNA is made up of deoxyribonucleotides. DNA is made up of deoxyribonucleotides. जबकि RNA is made up of ribonucleotides. Number 3, pentose sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. Number 3, pentose sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. जबकि पेंटोज शुगर इन RNA is ribose. Number 4, DNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine nitrogen bases. DNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. RNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine and इंस्टेड ऑफ थाइमीन की बजाय आरएनए के अंदर यूरासिल बेस पाया जाता है एंड यूरासिल नंबर 5, डीएनए इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ 2 polynucleotide chains coiled around each other. DNA is composed of 2 polynucleotide chains which are coiled around each other. While RNA is composed of single polynucleotide chain. RNA is composed of single polynucleotide chain, यानी डीएनए डबल स्ट्रैंडेड है और आरएनए जो है ये सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड है. नंबर 6, डीएनए is genetic material. DNA is genetic material because it can transfer from one generation to the other generation and it is responsible for various types of characteristics in living organisms. While RNA is genetic material in some viruses and non-genetic material and non-genetic material in prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Number 7, the amount of DNA is fixed for a particular species. DNA की अमाउंट किसी एक स्पीशीज में के हर सेल्स के अंदर फिक्स होती है, बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स एंड नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स इन अ स्पीशीज इज फिक्स्ड इन ऑल द सेल्स, इन ऑल द सोमैटिक सेल्स. यानी हर स्पीशीज के अंदर क्रोमोसोम की तादाद फिक्स होती है. अमाउंट ऑफ DNA is fixed for a particular species. The amount of RNA varies from cell to cell in the same organism. In the same organism. Number 8, DNA is only of one type. DNA is only of one type. RNA is of 3 types. Mainly mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. These are the differences between DNA and RNA. It is very important short question. Thank you very much.